What's going on, guys? Today we're going to put some chrome on the tailgate. Pretty simple task, and you may ask, hey, this is a work truck. Why do that? And then I will answer you is why not? You know what I mean? It's not that hard, guys. Now, the kit that I bought for this is only $19.95. Yep, the kit was only $19.95. Let me show you. And just as a kit, 3M tape. It goes right here. It covers this. And comes with this little piece right here, which covers this. See the big difference? $19.95. Why not, right? All right. Quick, easy installation. I'm going to install this first, and then we are going to install this. Now, first thing you have to do is take off your double-sided tape and find your handle. Put it on lightly, just in case you have to move it from left to right. I like the way it looks. I like the way it fits. Grab your rag and squeeze it down. That's it. Oops. That's it. Quick and fast. All right. Now we're going to remove the tape from the back. Sometimes it's pretty hard to remove this tape. What I also do, guys, is sometimes I have additional 3M tape because this is a mold, and the vehicle is an old vehicle and the sun's been hitting this, and this is plastic, so it tends to wobble and all that good stuff, right? So if it doesn't stick all the way down, then I just pull it off and put another piece of 3M tape on top of this and stick it on. But I don't think I have to this time. And lightly put it on. Nope. Let me look over here. There you go. And you press down. And you press down in there as well. Ta-da! Pretty quick and fast, right? Man, what a difference. And I know this is cracked, It's no big deal. And there you go. Quick, fast, simple. Alright guys, make sure you keep following our upgrades on our 2006 Titan. It's coming along, coming along. And then we're gonna clean these up. Somebody was telling me, oh man, for 119 bucks, you can get you some new headlights. You know what I say to that? For $6, I'm gonna show you how I can polish them and make it look like new. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.